Hello YouTube family, Minnie here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a haul video for you guys for today, and this is going to be from Hobby Lobby. And this is one of the things I ordered that I was very excited to receive. This is their assorted ribbon pack. So there should be about 30 yards of, approximately 30 yards of ribbons here. And so every order is going to be different. So you never know what you're going to get, and this is their bright colorful pack. So this is what I received, and it is, some of them are nice, ribbons. Some of them I don't care for so much, but this is what it looks like. I'll just quickly show you what I have here. So there's this orange one, there's this this is the one that I don't like as much because it's got this like really cheap shiny looking material. There's like the diamond shape. This is pretty. I like this. And there's another pink. There's like thinner one. There's like hunter green and yellow. There's a glittery one. Some yellow and white. Like really thin, kind of like a twine. There's purple and white. Orange. And just kind of gradient color. Really thin pink. This one's kind of looks like a shoelace, kind of a weave going on, and stripes, pom-poms, and another little shoelace kind of string. This one I don't know how to explain, but I like the color on that one. Another string-like. Here's blue, gold, and red. This is nice. It looks very delicate and colorful. And there's a purple and silver. Everything's getting kind of mixed up here now. And then the last few, this is nice too. And then there's this really thin one, and some yellow. Looks like those pipe cleaners. There's another shoelace type. And I've never seen anything like this before. This one and this one, kind of like a curve shaped, and then flat on this side. And then there's a red one. This one's kind of flat and kind of diamond shape. And then this one's kind of, what color is this? Blue and navy blue. So that's what I got. Will I get this again? Probably not for a while. Not my favorite thing, but I'll make it work. And then I also got that in the neutral pack, which is much better than that one. And they also had like a pastel pack. That's the one I wanted to get, but they kept getting sold out, so I wasn't able to get it. And so this one's, I feel like this one's much nicer. Here's a beautiful one. This one's nice. And then this one I feel like I can use on anything. There's a little fringe. This is nice too. Then plain gray. There's a, what do you call this, jute? And there's this one. There's two of these here. And then just plain, really thin, stringy, these two. We already did this one. Nice lacy one here. And then kind of nautical vibe. It's a real thin one. This one's nice too. And here's black and white. Gray. Oh, I don't know what happened there. There's a tape going around this one. And so lots of grays and off-whites, creams, stringy, couple stringy ones here. I can probably like take the stringy ones and do like a tag topper. And there's the pom-pom. And like really thin, delicate one. And look at this one. This one's nice. And then some more grays. So that's the pack of assorted ribbons I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I got some yarns, some just plain cotton yarn. So I got two of the, I love this cotton black. I think these are, yeah, black, two of those. I got one white and one, this is called burnt sienna. And then two of these, what color is this? Khaki color. And so those are all the yarns I got. And then I got some 8-pack glue runner refill. So there's 8 of them for $8.99. I thought this was better priced than Amazon. And then I got some small tube E6000. And I got 3 of these 3 of these pens. One I already opened and my daughter already took one of the pens out, but these were $1.49 for 10 of these. So I got 3 packs, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of those. That will go super cute with like little clipboards and notebooks that I make. Like, let me just pull out a clipboard, and then this is probably not the color that will go well. Like this one. Oh, this will go perfect. Like that. So that's what I got these for. And then I got some shank buttons. I really liked this one. There's like 3 little design on each. I'm making some wallets. So I wanted these to kind of decorate the wallets. And then this one here. So there's those. And I got some darning needles and some magnetic snaps. And that was pretty much everything. I didn't get a whole lot of like fun stuff, mainly essential items, but you know, we got to get those essential items too. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.